In this video, I'll demonstrate how we set up page templates and a navigation system for our site. Here in Codio, I have the home page for my project open, and I have the sample wireframe open in Sketch. Looking at this sample, I can see my project will have the standard three-part document structure suggested by the course lessons: a masthead that contains the branding and navigation for the site, a main content area containing all the content unique to this page, and a footer that persists across each page, showing the copyright information. I can set up this content rather simply using good, simple, and semantic markup. My masthead will be inside a header tag here at the top of the body. My main content area will go beneath this in a main tag, and my footer comes last of all. In my masthead, I'll need the branding, tagline, and navigation. First, the branding makes sense as an H1, since it's the main heading for the page, and even for the site as a whole. The tagline, regardless of style, is likely just a paragraph beneath this, but since it will need to be distinguished from other paragraphs later, I'll add a class of tagline to it. Next comes my navigation list. I'll place this inside a nav tag, as is the best practice. Then what I have is really a list, so I'll set up an unordered list with 4 items in it. Each item has a hyperlink in it containing the corresponding label for that item and a path pointing to that page's file in the site. My main content area will just have an H2 for now that contains the page's title. I might modify this later when I build the actual content for each page, but for now this heading will help me test the page links and ensure I'm in the right place. My footer simply includes a paragraph with the copyright information like in the wireframe. I'll check this page in the browser to ensure things look appropriate and that the links point to the correct pages. Adding this template to the other pages of my site starts with a simple copy and paste. I'll copy this content and paste it into my About page. But as I paste in each bit, I'll be sure to update the heading to match the actual page. Next, I'll paste this content into my main articles page. But now my paths have changed. I need to point out one layer to the main homepage and About page. I can remove the Articles folder from the start of the Articles item since we're now in the Articles folder. And to point to the Products main page, I also have to back out one layer first, before I can dive back into the Products folder. Now this structure will be safe for all the sites in this folder, so I'll copy and paste it into the other article pages, once again being sure to update the headings to indicate the actual page's content. Next, I can repeat this same idea in the Products section. This time I have to back out and into the Articles folder, but can leave off the Products folder on this one. I can now copy and paste this into my other product pages and update the heading in each accordingly. Now I just need to check that my site is hyperlinked together correctly by checking these pages in the browser. As I click, I want to pay careful attention to the name of each page to ensure it matches what is supposed to appear on each click. Looks like we're good to go.